Imagine this. You wake up, stretch, and suddenly decide, today, I'm going to learn something new. Maybe it's playing your first song on the guitar, maybe it's baking your first loaf of bread. The clock starts ticking, 24 hours ahead, full of promise. The idea sounds bold, maybe even a little bit crazy, but the excitement grows. Could you really learn a new skill in just one day? The world is full of distractions, but today, you set them aside. You clear your schedule. You tell your friends, I need this day for myself. There's something special about dedicating a single day to growing, changing, and challenging yourself. The energy feels different, focused, fresh, alive with possibility. You brew a cup of coffee, open your laptop and search how to learn your skill fast. Videos, articles, and tutorials pop up. But deep down, you wonder, can I actually make real progress in just 24 hours? Or is this just another empty promise? This is your journey. You've taken the first step, but before you dive in, it helps to know what learning a skill really means, especially for beginners. When people think about learning a skill, they often picture mastery, but real learning is not about being perfect. For beginners, learning a new skill means you can do something you couldn't do yesterday. Maybe you can play a simple melody, make your own bread, or say hello in a new language. That's learning. It's easy to confuse learning with knowing everything about a subject, but starting out, you just need enough skill to do something basic. The first time you ride a bike, you wobbled and maybe fell, but you learned because you kept trying, not because you became a pro on day one. Learning is about change. It's about getting comfortable with what feels awkward at first. You move from, I have no idea what I'm doing to, hey, I can actually do this. That small shift is powerful, so don't worry about mastery. Focus on that first moment when you realize, I can do this. That's a win worth chasing. Many people stop learning because they think they have to be perfect, but the truth is, progress is more important than perfection. Every small step forward counts. Even if you make mistakes, you're moving ahead, not standing still. Think back to your first time driving a car. You didn't expect to win a race on your first day. You just wanted to get from point A to point B without panicking. That's progress. Each attempt builds your skills, even if you're far from perfect. Perfection is a trap. It makes you afraid to start. But progress is exciting. It's visible. You can feel it in your hands and see it in your results. Each little win gives you the confidence to keep going. So, let go of the need to be flawless. Celebrate every bit of improvement. That's the path to real learning, especially in just 24 hours. Not every skill can be learned in a single day, but some are perfect for a quick, focused challenge. Want some ideas? You could learn to juggle 3 balls, cook a new recipe, or draw a basic portrait. You could practice typing faster, ride a skateboard, or have a short conversation in Spanish. Other great skills for a one-day challenge include setting up a website, making origami animals, or sewing a simple piece of clothing. If you like music, try learning a basic song on the ukulele or piano. For tech lovers, why not build a simple video game or animation? The key is to pick something small and clear, a skill that's easy to break into steps and where results can be seen quickly. Don't try to become a chess master in one day, but you can learn how the pieces move and play a basic game. Choose a skill that excites you. That excitement will help you stay focused and motivated all day long. Your brain is amazing. It's built to learn new things, but it works best when you give it your full attention. In the first few hours of learning, your brain makes lots of new connections. This is called neuroplasticity. The more you focus, the faster these connections form. Distractions slow you down. If you check your phone every 5 minutes, your brain has to start over each time. But when you give a skill your undivided attention, you learn much faster. That's why a single, focused day can be so powerful. Scientists have found that deep work, long periods of focus without interruptions, supercharges your learning. Even a short break in focus can set you back. So, turn off notifications, close extra tabs, and dive in. Your brain will thank you. The secret isn't more hours, it's better hours. Quality matters far more than quantity, especially when learning something brand new. Learning a new skill can feel overwhelming, but every big skill is made up of tiny steps. The trick is to break a big goal into smaller pieces you can handle one at a time. Want to cook a new dish? Start by gathering ingredients, then practice one technique at a time. For example, if you want to play a song on the guitar, don't try to learn the whole song at once. First, learn the chords. Then, practice switching between them. Finally, add the rhythm. Step by step, you build the skill from the ground up. Each small success gives you a boost. It feels good to check off a mini goal. These wins keep you motivated and make the whole process less scary. You're more likely to stick with it if you see progress right away. So whatever you want to learn, break it down, make a list, check things off as you go. Suddenly, a big challenge feels possible, and even fun. Watching tutorials is helpful, but it's not enough. You have to practice with your own hands. Active practice is the fastest way to learn. Reading about swimming doesn't teach you to swim. You need to get in the water, splash around, and feel how your body moves. This kind of hands-on learning is called deliberate practice. It means doing the real thing, not just watching others do it. If you want to bake bread, get flour on your hands. If you want to sketch, pick up a pencil and draw, even if your first try is shaky. Practice doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, it won't be. The goal is to try, adjust, and try again. The more you do, the faster your brain and muscles learn what to do next time. So close the tutorial, pause the video, and jump in. Real learning happens when you get your hands dirty. Feedback is your secret weapon. It tells you what's working and what needs fixing. Every time you try something and see the result, you learn something new. Maybe you play a wrong note on the guitar, or your bread is too dense. That's not failure, it's information. Ask for feedback from friends, family, or online communities. Sometimes just recording yourself and watching the replay can help you spot mistakes. Good feedback is clear and specific. It helps you know exactly what to improve next. The faster you get feedback, the faster you learn. Don't wait until you're perfect to ask for help. Even small tips can make a big difference. Sometimes, a single suggestion can unlock a whole new level of skill. Remember, feedback isn't personal, it's just data. Use it to get better, not to feel bad about yourself. Mistakes are not the enemy, they're your best teachers. Every expert was once a beginner who made lots of errors. The secret is to welcome mistakes, not fear them. Each one shows you what to try differently next time. When you're new, you get to experiment. There's no pressure to be perfect, and nobody expects you to know it all. This is the beginner's advantage. You can learn at your own pace, make wild guesses, and try things your way. Sometimes, those experiments lead to surprising breakthroughs. A positive beginner mindset helps you bounce back quickly. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," try, "I can't do this yet." That simple word, "yet," keeps the door open for growth. So go ahead and make mistakes. Laugh at them. Learn from them. What can you really achieve after 24 hours of focused learning? Honestly, a lot more than you might think. You won't be an expert, but you'll be amazed by what's possible. You might play a simple tune on the piano, bake bread that makes your kitchen smell incredible, or hold a short conversation in a new language. By the end of the day, you'll have real hands-on experience. You'll know what the first steps feel like, and you'll have proof that you can learn something new, fast. Your results may not be perfect, but they'll be real. You'll see, taste, or hear your progress. Many people report that one intense day of learning gives them more confidence to keep going. It breaks the ice. It shows that the hardest part is just getting started. So, what will your after picture look like? A finished drawing, a first song, a homemade meal. The possibilities are endless. There will always be reasons to wait. I'm too busy, I'm not ready, but the truth is, starting is the most important step. Even if you make mistakes, even if you're not perfect, you're still moving forward. The best day to start is today. Taking action creates momentum. Once you begin, you want to keep going. You start to see learning as a fun game, not a scary chore. Each small win makes you hungry for more. Remember, you don't need to invest years before you see results. Just one focused day can change how you think about learning forever. The real magic is in getting started, not in getting it perfect. So why not give yourself the gift of a new skill? You never know where it might lead. Now, it's your turn. What skill have you always wanted to try? What challenge would excite you, even if it feels a little scary? Imagine picking just one thing and giving it your full attention for 24 hours. What could you create, learn, or discover? Will you learn to sketch your favorite animal, bake bread from scratch, say a few phrases in a language you've always loved, build a simple website, or play a song for your family? The options are endless, and the first step is yours to take. Picture yourself at the end of the day, tired but proud. You did something new. You learned, you stumbled, you got better. That's what matters most. So, what will your 24-hour skill challenge be? The adventure starts when you say yes to learning, today.